guys, hope you're well. Welcome back to my channel and hello if you are new here. So you guys probably know by now I'm a little bit of a Gucci lover. I have a huge Gucci collection and I actually want to film a video all about my collection, so let me know if you would like that. You guys probably know that I've filmed a lot of videos about Gucci belts and I will link the relevant videos below. So there's a video all about the sizing and then there's different review videos. So they'll all be linked below, and then all of the belts that I talk about in this video and all of the outfits are clicked below too. Just click show more. If you're not following on Instagram, do come say hi at mshellx. So without further ado, I thought I'd style up some Gucci belts today for spring summer, just so you guys can see some different ways to wear them, how to get the most out of your Gucci belt, and if you're trying to decide which one to go for, I've got the black one that's a little bit thicker, I've got the brown one that's a little bit thicker, and then I've got the waist one that's thinner. So hopefully you guys can visualize how it will look on you and which one you should go for, or just get all three. So I hope you enjoyed this video, get cozy, and let's style up some Gucci belts. So first things first, I thought I would start with this dress, which I popped with some Louboutins. They have glitter on them, accidentally. Do not go to a party with glitter when wearing Louboutins. I love this little dress. I think it's really nice for spring, summer. I mean, we'll say summer now. Really nice and floaty, and even though it's nice by itself, I thought popping a Gucci belt around it would be a great way to start this video and show you how nice the belts can look. So this is a brown one, and I think the thickness is really nice. I've always been that person that is into the thick Gucci belts because I just think, why not? Double G, hello, here I am. So this is it in the thick, and I'm gonna then flip over and show you the thin version, and then you can decide. I always thought I was massively into the thick belts, and I do still like them, they're still my favourite, but then I saw a few girls on Instagram influencing me wearing the thin ones, and I just think they look so classy. I personally think the thick one maybe looks better with this dress, but I think the thin one is very understated and it's that kind of classic, I don't need something too big look, but it still looks really nice and it's still designer. So if you maybe are trying to save a bit of money and you still want a Gucci belt but you don't want to spend say £320, this one was cheaper, but you can always do what I do and go for the big one and the small one. But I thought I would get this one to try it out and see how it looked in the thin. So next up, the trusty black Gucci belt. This was the first one in my collection and I know it's the one that most people go for. I totally get why. It's the nice thickness, it's not the extra large one, it's not the extra small one, it's just perfectly medium sized, and I think it goes with everything. I need to get another belt loop put in it, which apparently you can get done at Gucci stores. Don't know how true that is, so I might just go to like a local market store to get it done or something, because I totally ordered the size of this wrong. It doesn't actually matter what size you order though, because you can just put holes in it. So what I'll do is I'll leave a comment under the video with the exact sizing of the other belts as well, with the links, so that you guys can find the ones, because I always get so many questions about sizing, and I'll leave a link to that video as well about that. But I just love the black one. I think it works really well, and I always thought you had to wear a black Gucci belt with kind of all black jeans, black top, and the Gucci belt, and I think that's amazing and so classy. But isn't it nice to see it worn with a bit of vibrancy for spring? I ordered this dress because I saw someone on Instagram looking absolutely amazing in it, always been influenced, but it looks much better with a belt. So the perfect dress to show you styling up a Gucci belt, and this is probably one of my favourite outfits over the summer months. So I've got my little brown booties on with the matching brown belt and the dress. So let's see how it looks. You guys comment below and do let me know which belt you like best, which one you'd go for, which one you're after. So another little tip, you can always like tuck dresses and stuff into belts, and I just think it's so classy. So that's it with the thick one. I just think the brown works really, really well on kind of whites and creams and nice summertime colours. Makes sense to pair it with my trusty Gucci bag as well, which I'll also link below. I've had so much use out of this. I have a video that kind of reviews it, so I'll link that below as well. But I love the beige and the brown look for summer. I think it's a little less harsh than black personally. And if you're trying to decide between the thin one and the thick one, I mean, I just think they're both so nice. I think the thin one just adds, as I keep saying, just that little bit of class, but it's a little bit more understated. But again, I still think the thin belt works really well with a nice little dress like this, particularly because there's quite a lot going on with this dress. As much as I love the brown belts, and I really do think they are amazing for summer wardrobes to wear with blouses and stuff, I don't want to put you off the black belt because it's trusty and it's been in my life for years and years and it's the best quality ever. So I thought I would show you that it goes with everything. Obviously, I'm going to pop it on with the same dress as you saw before. I'll show you it around the waist so you can kind of see how it actually sits on me. So it would sit like this with the matching black Gucci shoes, which by the way are the most comfortable comfortable shoes ever, and they are still available, so I'll link them below as well. So you could wear it like that, but obviously I personally think it looks better up here, which is why you should get another little hole popped in it. But I just think it just shows that these Gucci belts are so versatile, and it really doesn't matter which colour you get, because as long as you kind of match the shoes with it, I personally think it looks great. One of the first ever ways I discovered the brown Gucci belt was seeing it on a website with a white blouse, so I couldn't not show you it with some denim and a white blouse, as it might help you make your decision. I've done a lot of kind of videos showing you how Gucci belts look with jeans, because I feel like everyone wears Gucci belts with jeans. It's kind of the standard way to wear them. But how about a denim skirt, or just so you can generally see how it looks with denim and a white blouse. Obviously the blouse does not have to be cropped. I just grabbed whatever was in my wardrobe, but hopefully it shows you that the colours go together really nicely, and that you can wear this down on the hips as well, rather than just up on the waist. If I can get this through my loop. So I personally just think the brown goes so nicely with blue denim and white. I just think it's what made me fall in love with the brown Gucci belt. I know I've said that, but I just think the colours go so nicely together, and it's so nice for spring, summer, and hopefully you can see how nice that looks with the colours. It's just such an easy thing to do, to put the brown leather with blue denim. I just think it's such a classic kind of summer California cowgirl kind of style look. We're all leopard print obsessed. I don't see this trend ending anytime soon, so I thought how nice to show you guys a little shirt dress, because shirt dresses are so beautiful with the Gucci belt. Style it up in a different way. I think this is great for kind of workwear, if you want to bring that taste of designer to a nice workwear outfit, or maybe a brunch outfit. So I thought I have to show you guys a leopard print dress, and if you watch my YouTube a lot, you'll know I'm massively into my leopard print. So here you can see the little brown belt again, really understated, and I personally just think it looks really nice with the leopard print. You can obviously pull it in like that. Then I wanted to show you the black one both ways as well, because obviously the dress has black in it, so I think the tones work really well together. So you could wear it up the waist, or you could just pop it on like that. Obviously this doesn't fit me properly, but you get the gist. So you can basically wear it both ways. And then one that you guys might hate, pink with a Gucci belt. Let's see. Lots of ruffles, so there's already quite a lot going on there, but let's see if you can make it work with a jumpsuit. Really, I just wanted to wear pink because I rarely wear pink, and I think this is the nicest jumpsuit ever for summer. So you could just kind of tuck it in and have it like that, and then you add a little bit of designer to this jumpsuit, which I think is such a nice jumpsuit. And I actually think it looks nice with a thick waist belt kind of around it, and I just think it actually adds something really nice, particularly the brown, because it's not too harsh. I think it goes really nicely with the pink for summer if you just wanted to add that bit of kind of designer to any outfit. And I think Gucci belts just look so nice with jumpsuits. To conclude, I have to say I think the thick black belt is always going to be my favourite, because it gets me through those dark winters in my boring black jeans, but I think it really adds something to any outfit. I personally love the all black streamlined look with a nice big gold Gucci buckle in the middle. I think it looks great, and as I said, there's loads of videos of me wearing it in that way below if you're looking for more of a winter autumn style. But then I think it's really good to still continue to wear the Gucci belt throughout the year. So hopefully I've proven to you that I think the black belt looks amazing with beige and white as well. It looks great with everything really. And then I love the brown. I think the brown belt just adds something really nice for summer. It's just a little bit softer, and I think it's proof that it goes with everything, whether it's blue denim, a white blouse, a jumpsuit, a frilly jumpsuit, pink. Hopefully this has shown you that I think they're all very nice. I do have a bit of a soft spot for the brown belt because I just love the colour. I think the thin one is really classy as well with the smaller double G, so if you are trying to save money, then go for it. I think it's understated and it's absolutely classy. My final conclusion, I think the Gucci belt is amazing. Cost per wear, mine is basically free now because I've worn it so much with so many outfits, and if you save up for it and do it that way and get your wear out of it with so many different outfits, then hopefully you'll agree. As mentioned, everything is linked under the video. Do leave a comment with any questions. You guys can chat about Gucci below. Tell me what videos you want from me next, and let me know you're watching over on Instagram at @mshellx. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Big love.